Daytime! Nighttime! Daytime! Nighttime!
Just like to open wide, sir.
Okay.
You going anywhere nice on your holidays?
I think so.
Yeah, don't try and talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir. My wife and I are thinking of going abroad this year. Dudley. She's got family in the zoo over there. You got kids?
Yeah.
Please don't talk when my hands are in your mouth, sir.
Hi.
Could do with a fill in here, actually, at the back. Is it mainly bananas you eat? I won't tell you again, sir. Please don't try and speak when I'm working inside your mouth. Right, I'm just going to have a cheeky little taste. That's not bad, actually. What's done, just need to smell your breath. Oh, God, that is rank. I think I need to lie down.
She's all neck and legs. Look at her. Oh, I am looking at her. Stop looking at her.
You just told me to look at her.
Ow!
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 Ow! I was trying to be cruel, that.
Oh, this is the bestest steak, and I'm gonna love it and hug it forever and ever and ever.
Oh, and are you okay? Can you tell us that you're okay? There was someone at the window.